How to buy Robux in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch the Roblox application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account, simply tap on the Roblox sign at the top of the screen, which is this one, beside the magnifying glass, and then tap on it. So here right now you can see the balance of my Roblox is 0. So if I want to buy Roblox in Roblox, simply there are different Roblox packages that you can see over here. Now as you scroll down, you can see from the 40 Robux to 22,500 Robux, there are different variation. You can select whichever is more convenient for you. Now if I have to purchase it or buy it, simply tap on the Robux. As you do that, it will show you the option to purchase it. So here you can just tap on add credit or debit card. So just tap on it, and as you do that, you can just mention your card number and then purchase or buy Robux and Roblox. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.